How to use templates in Capcut PC or laptop. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can use templates in Capcut PC or laptop. So let's dive in. So if you don't see any option on your Capcut app for the templates in this bar, what you have to do is just minimize this, and here you have to search for Capcut templates, and then you have to just press enter on the Capcut templates option, and then it's going to bring you to this page, and here you'll see the Capcut official site that gives you Capcut templates. You have to click this Capcut templates over here, and now you can customize your content for free over here. Now just scroll through and find a template. If you want for videos, you can just choose from the videos, and if you want for image, you can just choose from image. Just choose the template that you want to work on. For example, if you want to work on this template over here, click it, and then you have to click use this template. And once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page, and now you have to sign into your account. You have to just use any account that you're using. I'm going to use Google. You can use your TikTok account, Facebook account, your Capcut mobile account, or you can enter your email and continue. So once you log in into your Capcut account and sign in, it's going to open the template for you. Now wait for it to load, and here you can see just it's going to give you the tutorial over here, a short tutorial, and now you can just upload media from your gallery of your PC, and then you have to just choose that, and then you can just add it to the template and edit it like so. Go to this templates option over here, and you can choose some other templates as well, and then you can just work with it. For example, let's go with this one. So now you have to click use template and then click change, and it's going to change the template now. Now you have to go to the media section, or you can use stock videos as well. Now you simply have to just add this video over here. Just click it, and it's going to add it over here, and you have to click OK. And now you can just add this video over here. So now you can edit the text over here if you want, and you can just edit the video in the template. And that's how you use templates in Capcut PC or laptop. Thanks for watching.